Hello and welcome back to DIY Sewing with Simply Ola. Today I will be showing you how to measure yourself or your clients for sleeve pattern. Today tutorial is just going to be on the measurements. I'll be doing another video showing you how to take the measurements and put it on the paper. Okay, so foremost you're going to be needing the information I place on the screen. Okay, you're going to need your sleeve length. You have to determine whether you want long sleeve or short sleeve. Okay, so this is just to show you basic things you're going to need to do your sleeve measurement, whether you are putting it on the paper for pattern drafting or you want to use it directly on your fabrics. Okay, so first and foremost we'll be needing the um your armhole circumference, meaning your armhole round. Like I said, my tutorial is all about beginner friendly. So you take the measurement of your armhole round. In this case, my own is 20. Yours might be different. Okay, take the measurement of it round and note it down on your paper. And then you look for the biggest part of your arm. Okay, the biggest part of your arm. You start from the shoulder point, that is your shoulder slope, where exactly where your bone, your shoulder, where that bone is. Take it down to the biggest part of your arm, right? Look for that biggest part of your arm. You can use something to um, mark it or just tie something around it. That is what I was doing there. And you will now measure from your shoulder slope to that part, to the biggest part of your arm, and that is your bicep. That is your bicep. You're going to take the measurement and put it on the paper. Okay, that was what I was doing there. I was measuring from my shoulder to my biceps. Okay, take it and note it down. You'll be needing it. You're going to need it when you want to do your pattern drafting, whether on your paper or on your fabrics. All right. And for you to get the accurate bicep, you can actually divide your bust circumference. That is your bust round. Measure your bust round, the biggest part of your bust. Measure it round and divide it by 12. Your bust circumference divided by 12. Whatever it gives, add 1 inch to it. That will give you your accurate biceps. If you don't want to take this tape to measure to the biggest part of your arm, just look for the biggest part. I mean your breast circumference, bust circumference, okay, and measure it and showing you the measurement you'll be needing, okay, for the straight line. Those are the line you'll be putting on your paper to do your calculation. So you are taking from your shoulder to your elbow, then from your elbow to your wrist, okay, and you will need the circumference of, I mean, you will need the your arm round, your shoulder round, and your wrist round. Okay, you take the measurement of your arm round, your shoulder round, and your wrist round. You note it down because you are going to need it to do our calculation. So, like I said, from your shoulder to the elbow to the wrist. Okay, don't forget to like this video and share to your families and friends. I have a lot of tutorial coming up that it's gonna be, benefiting everyone that is on this channel. Okay. So I was just trying to demonstrate and show you what exactly you need to do there. All right. So it's not complicated at all. Once you get this, you can use this to calculate any pattern. Then the next thing to do after that is just to put everything down, note it down on your paper, and we will be I'll be showing you another video on how to put them down. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and click the notification button so that you get notified as soon as I post another video that will be explaining how to demonstrate this and put it on your paper. See you on my next video, and bye for now.